Hi. In this video, we will see how simply we can invert PO-based purchase entry GRN. Earlier, we released a PO number 151 to supplier. We will assume that material is being supplied by supplier and we will create a PO-based purchase entry GRN. Go to create new GRN, RPO based. Select the supplier. Supplier ID will appear. Enter the supplier invoice number and date. simpliRP will guide you to items entry page. Select the PO number 151. The items in that PO will automatically appear. Unit of measure will automatically appear. simpliRP by default provides a FIFO-based batch number. However, you can enter the batch number or heat number. Price will be automatically fetched from the purchase order. Once you enter the quantity, taxes and total amount are calculated. Save item. You can repeat the same steps again to enter more items. You can invert items from multiple PO in same GRN. You can also enter expiry dates if you want. You can confirm and print this GRN. A goods receipt note will be generated. You can print this GRN or save as PDF also. simpliRP is the easiest way to manage your material management. Thank you.